Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today the topic of our discussion is important computer abbreviations. These abbreviations are important for CSS, PMS and other competitive exams. For example, NTS, PM, FIA, etc. So let's continue. The word USB stands for Universal Serial Bus. It is a type of secondary storage device. And then DVI, it stands for Digital Video Interface. HDD stands for Hard Disk Drive. GPS stands for Global Positioning System. It consists of different satellites, almost 24 satellites around the world. MSB stands for Most Significant Bit. KB stands for Kilobyte. Remember this, that when K and B are both in capital, then it stands for kilobyte. And then we have another word KB. Now look here that the B is in small letters, so it stands for kilobit. And when K and B both are in capital letter, it means kilobyte. But when K is capital and B is small, then it is kilobit. API stands for Application Programming Interface. MB stands for megabyte. GB stands for gigabyte. TB stands for terabyte. HDMI stands for High Definition Multimedia Interface.